Welcome to a lesson on how to create a box plot, sometimes referred to as a box and whisker plot. Here we're given data that represents the grams of sugar per serving in cereals. We have 11 data values, 3, 9, 10, 10, 11, 12, 12, 13, 15, 18, and 30. And now to analyze the data. The minimum data value is 3, the maximum data value is 30. Next, we'll determine the mean, which is not needed for the box plot. Recall the mean is the sum of the data divided by the number of data values. In this case, the sum of the data is 143. There are 11 data values. The mean is approximately 13.0 grams. Recall the mean is one measure of center. The second measure of center is the median. Recall the median is the data value in the middle when the data is ordered from least to greatest. Because we have 11 data values, the data value in the sixth position is the median. Notice we have 5 data values below and 5 data values above the median. The median is 12. We now determine quartile 1 and quartile 3. Quartile 1 is the median of the lower half of the data set. Quartile 3 is the median of the upper half of the data set. This indicates quartile 1 is 10 and quartile 3 is 15. I do want to mention there sometimes is variation on how we determine quartile 1 and quartile 3. Quartile 1 is 10, quartile 3 is 15. The interquartile range is Q3 minus Q1, which in this case is 5. And finally, the range is the maximum value minus the minimum value, which measures variability or spread. The range is equal to 27. And now we use the min, max, median, Q1 and Q3 to create the box and whisker plot. Step 1 is to create a number line with an interval of at least 3 to 30. Next, we label the horizontal axis. To create the box plot, the first step is to plot points or dots above the min and max values of 3 and 30. Next, we plot the median of 12, and then quartile 1 and quartile 3 of 10 and 15. And now to create the box plot, we make a box from Q1 to Q3. We also often see a vertical line segment through the median. And now we create the whiskers or tails. On the right, we have a tail or whisker from 15 to 30, or from Q3 to the max. On the left, we have a second tail from 10 to 3, or from Q1 to the minimum. And now we have our completed box plot or box and whisker plot. What's nice about this display is it shows the spread of the data or variability, but also each of these subintervals contains 25% of the data values. I hope you found this helpful.